What's up, everybody? It's Chris and I'm from nuppfx, and today, since it's been a while since I put in a new video, just hanging with family and friends during the holidays, I really didn't want to put content out there. Just wanted to relax and just spend the holidays with the people I love. So to make up for that, I'm going to do a 2-for-1 video today. There's going to be 2 builds in this video. The first part is going to be how I made this Old Republic Van Zalo lightsaber just from a 3D print and paint. And this right here, I'm going to be showing you how I changed the dino egg carrier for the Jurassic World Chevy and turning this into like a dinosaur egg incubator travel case kind of thing. So with nothing else to say, let's just jump right in. So if you're familiar with any kind of filament 3D printing, you'll see that there are layer lines, and if you run your nail across it, you can hear it, you can feel it. It's not a smooth surface. But in this case, I really like that texture because it's going to give more of like a brushed aluminum look to the saber once we put the chrome on it. So I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to fill it in with any kind of like filler primer. I'm just going to prime it. And the thing about primer is you want to use different colors of primer based on what your top coat is going to look like. I've found that chrome looks best with like a black or a very dark gray primer underneath. So what I'm going to do with this one, just like I did with the Luke Saber, I am going to prime it in black and then put the chrome on top of it. Now that the lightsaber is done, we're going to go ahead and start on the incubation, dino egg incubation chamber for the Jurassic World Chevy truck. And this old server rack doesn't really have a top and bottom to it, but I have decided that I wanted this door to open from the left. It's on the right now, so which means I have the top laying on my work area right here. So it's going to be easier to go ahead and hot glue in the strip of LED lights onto the top of it. They're going to be shining down into the dino eggs. So let's get started on that. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Click that like button. It always helps out the channel. There are also links down in the description below that help out the channel, and I will see you on the next one.